Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're starting out with 12 to midnight because it matches my shirt. Okay, here it is. It's beautiful and all down here. It's all blacks and grays, guys. So super fun, super sweet. Kind of reminds me like you could make a New Year's Eve quilt with it, right?
Ooh,
I feel like that. All right, on our way to the Christmas room, we're going to show you our newest block of the month. Here it is. It's called the Barn Stars Block of the Month. It's 7 months long. It's $149 for local pickup, $169. That includes your shipping if you're a shipper. All right, we have one Halloween. One Halloween. Sorry. This is Hometown Halloween. Ooh, isn't that fun? I like the banner. I like the banner. And then we're going to scooch over here to do some Christmas. This is Riley Blake, and it's called, I'm going to remind myself, sorry, Christmas at Buttermilk Acres.
Oh, that's a good long name.
That is, isn't it? Okay, then we're going to zoom around here for Nightout. It's navies and like, I call that a creamy white. It's nice, it's very patriotic. Okay, and then moving on, I feel like I'm forgetting things.
No, that was 3 lines.
Okay. All right, we have one pre-cut here for you and then a bunch more here. We have Heirloom. It's a ruby star pre-cut, 5-inch squares. Look at those. I mean, do you not just want to make a modern quilt? I do. Okay, we've waited for it for a long time. It's here. It's cozy up, guys. Look how beautiful that is. So this is the kit. It makes that, obviously. Then we have all the pre-cuts. Fat quarter bundle, jelly rolls, honey buns, charms, mini charms, all the cozy up. All right, then we also have Crystal Lake by Bunny Hill Designs. Some beautiful blues in there. We have the fat quarter bundle, charms, and layer cakes. Then we also have the Jungle Paradise by Stacy Sue. Super fun kids line. That's all the jungle things. We have mini charms, fat quarter bundles, and charms of that as well. So many good things. So many good things. Okay, and then we're going to zoom over here to toweling. Sorry, I forgot. This is Lakeside Toweling. How cute would that be? See, I'm looking for a new runner for my outside picnic table, and I feel like one of these would be beautiful for fall with some pumpkins on it, right? Getting the pumpkin spirit. Okay. We have bobbin toppers. So if you're trying, you have your spool of thread, you want to hold the bobbin on top. There you go.
So you can keep your thread colors together.
And then we have the bias tape maker, all different sizes in here. So that's really great. And last but not least, but pretty amazing, just one charm pack quilts. You need one charm pack to make these. And we sell you charm packs all the time. So I know you have them, girls. Okay, super cute things in this book. Look,
This one.
Look at that. How pretty is that? Oh, look at that one. Oh my gosh, I like that. Oh, I lost it. Okay, there it is. It's so pretty. Okay, so there's a book. All right, we are going to be live.
Oh, please point out Caleb's TV. He's very happy about that.
Yes. Here is Caleb's new, as you can tell, Sydney is filming today. Here is Caleb's new addition to the shop. So we have digital signage. Any sales, anything going on will be up there. So we do have the Fab Stash show this Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. You can sign up for our block of the month. It is limited quantity, so there's only 40 spots available. So sign up now. There will be a separate link there'll be a link in the email or the down below with all the things, but we'll also do a separate post for it. I think that's all. Happy quilting! Bye!